So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the pollen filter, aka cabin filter, in a Renault Captur. Okay, so this is a right-hand drive vehicle, and in the passenger footwell is where the cabin filter access is located. If you look at that tab there, you pull back on that and you're able to take the front cover off, which exposes where the cabin filter is hiding. Take that down, and then it's just about reaching up, catching a hold of the cabin filter and pulling it through. Now this is a very straightforward process overall. Just a couple of things you need to be aware of: the direction of the airflow, so there'll be an arrow on the cabin filter for the way it goes, and also the compressing of the filter as it goes back in. This is a view of me doing it, so you can see how I'm squeezing it and kind of rotating, shuffling it back and then pushing it in. So just compressing it in like an accordion, twisting it a little bit and getting it to sit in position. Then it flattens out and it expands as it goes in, so it'll fill the whole space, and it sits nice and flush once you push it all the way in. As you can see there, it's sitting nicely in its location and it's ready for the cover to go back on. The cover is just a simple push in at the top side and clip down, and then if you see clip in and then you push down and make sure it's secure. And that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.